chair isn't purple. The yellow chair? And wait a minute. This whole room. It used to be my studio, but now it's something else. Something new. There's been a change around here. You might have noticed that I haven't made any videos for a couple months. That's because my family just experienced a big and exciting change. That's right, not just a new chair, not just a new room. We have a new baby. Hi, Finn! My friends are here! We're gonna make a craft together for you! I'm so excited too! Boop, 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 boop. This is Finn Thomas, and he is just awesome. He is 3 months old now, and he loves to move his feet. He loves to sit up like he's real big. He likes to drink bottles. He loves his big brother. And we can't even wait to see what else you're gonna love in life, Finn. Are you gonna love planets like us? Maybe you'll love trains, rocks, horses. Oh my goodness, who are you? We can't wait to find out. You know, getting a new person in your family is a big change. Changes can be scary, but changes are amazing. The craft that I thought we could make together today is a little model of my family. I wonder what your family is like. Families look all different, don't they? Today, I'm gonna make a little house and some little people that look like my family members that Finn can play with someday. You know, when he can use his hands. So we'll do Phil and me. I have a good plan for my bun. Big brother Dax. He's an amazing big brother. Little brother Finn. And of course, we can't forget Hash Brown the dog. Finn, are you excited to craft? Stick around to the end of the video to see the whole family when I reveal it to my whole family. Let's get crafting. Here we are in our little nursery studio. I set it up so that we can craft together. He looks like he might nap while we craft. Do you think you will? Maybe. You can. You're a baby. Babies nap. Let's start off with the people of my family. We'll get to Hash Brown at the end. Which one looks more like Phil? Do you have a vote? I'm gonna go with this one. Yep. It has a real Phil-like, circliness. Huh? So I'm just gonna start by coloring the face area. I don't need to color all of it because we're gonna put hair on. I'm gonna put a little bit of skin tone down his arms too. And then check, that's our first coat. What do you think, Finn? Approved? Next, Kylee, that's me. Same thing, different color. Now for Dax. You love your big brother, don't you? Oh, it's like overwhelming to think about how much you love him. It makes you yawn, you love him so much. You do, you love him. You love playing with him. Check. And then Finn. Sometimes Dax likes to call Finn Finno-Binno. I don't know why, but it's really catchy. Finno-Binno. There, all of our different beautiful skin tones ready. Now, I think it's time to do some hair. Phil has dark brown hair, so let's find a dark brown marker. Chestnut brown, perhaps? Okay, we'll start by drawing his hair and leaving a little bit of room for his ear like that. Do the same thing on the other side to make it symmetrical, which means the same thing on both sides. Now for the beard. His beard isn't super long. If there was someone in your family that had a really long beard, that would be fun to draw way down there. And then a mustache. This part's fun. Ready? And boop, boop, boop. We'll leave a little room for his smile. Now it's time for the bun. Here's my plan for the bun because this is nice and smooth. I could just draw a circle on here, but you know that I love hot glue. Finn, have I told you that about me? Did you even know that yet? I love hot glue. You aren't quite to using hot glue yet. That wouldn't be safe. But someday, you and I are gonna glue some stuff. Yeah, we are. Yellow hair, line, ear, just like a letter C. Cute. Okay, ready? When you use hot glue at home, make sure you have an adult help you because hot glue is, you guessed it, hot. The end of the hot glue gun is hot and the glue is hot when it comes out, so you don't touch it, all right? So we're just gonna let that sit there and cool off. As it cools off, it gets hard. It will become safe to touch, but not yet. So we'll do Dax's hair while we're waiting. Dax's hair is a beautiful black, so we need a beautiful black marker. Because his hair's curly, I'm gonna make his hairline a little wavy, just to kind of show that curl. Oh, Daxie, I love you so much. I even love your little peg person. And now for you, Finn. I'm not sure what color hair Finn is going to have. It's dark brown now. It looked black when he was born, and who knows? Right now it's brown, so we'll make it brown. Let's see, we'll use this chocolate color. Doesn't smell like chocolate. Boop, boop, boop. Should we do clothes next or faces next, do you think? Let's do the faces. It's just too fun, I can't wait. All right, we'll start with Phil. Whoa, Phil, where are you going? Come back, okay. I'm gonna make the little smile first. He's a very happy guy. Little eye. Little eye. Now, this is really gonna look awesome at the end when that's dry. We're gonna put in a little white dot, and that's what makes eyes really come alive. Yeah. I think it's time to deal with this bun. Where did that hash brown go? Oh, hi. Now for hash brown, I used a bead, so I can kind of see through this little hole, but hash brown doesn't actually have, he's not a bead. So we're gonna fill him in with a little bit of hot glue. Again, be careful, ask for help. Just gonna fill in that hole a little bit. We can even that out when it's not so hot. And then I'm gonna make 2 globs for his ears, just like I did with my bun. 1 ear. Whoa, hot glue gets real stringy. You can always take those off after. It's better to take them off after than to burn your fingers. And then here's another one. To put some outfits on these people. Phil, what would you like to wear today? Do you think that he should wear blue today? You do? All right, you're the fashion guy. And remember, I drew that little bit of skin tone on there so that I can make a sleeve. And we'll still have a little bit of arm. There's a little shirt. Now I'm gonna give him some pants. Let's see, how about gray pants? Sure. Gaguga? Oh, we're gonna make it, Finn. All right, now we need to make the Kylee Makes It outfit. If only I had an example of it that I could look at. Oh, I do. Dax's favorite color is green, so I thought we would give him a green shirt and maybe some blue pants. Finn, what do you think your favorite color is going to be? You don't know? That's okay. You don't need to decide yet. I keep this with my craft supplies now. It's become an important part of my crafting experience. Not to paint with, but here, buddy. Would this help? Would that help? Do you like it or not? Maybe. Oh, do you need a crafting break? Yeah, okay, we'll take a crafting break. The family's looking great. We have one more member that we need to get coloring. Hash brown. I put it on this little toothpick to help hold it so I can get all the way around the bead since there's not really a good bottom. You might notice that I have a house here too. I was thinking, once we get the family done, would you want to stick around, especially if he falls asleep and we could create a house for my family? You would? And then maybe if he stays asleep, we could even make a studio that we could hang out in together. You would like to? Okay, cool. We'll do that. If he goes to sleep. Now let's draw on Hash Brown's face. A little Hash Brown smile. Cute! The next thing I'm gonna do is add some finishing outlines to the family's clothes and to Hash Brown, and then we're gonna do the best part of making peg people, which is to add the little white dot. You might be thinking, Kylee, why do you keep getting so excited about this little white dot? Because it's what makes them cute. It's like a magic trick. You'll see. Oh, maybe getting too excited for the baby, but you're really gonna like it. It's really a fun part. You gotta put your caps back on. You gotta put your caps back on. You gotta put your caps back on. #1 family rule. Now, the part that I've been so excited to show you. I'm gonna use the very tip of this little skewer that I've been using. You could use a Q-tip or a little paint pen or a little paintbrush. And I'm gonna use some acrylic paint because it's nice and thick. I'm gonna put a little bit on the end like this. A little dot. And we're just gonna boop, boop, boop. Why does that make it so cute? It's just 2 little dots of paint and it's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh, I mean, Phil's always cute to me, but boop. Works even better if you make a sound. He's such a good big brother. You know, it can be a big change to go from being the only child to having a little brother, a baby all of a sudden. But Dax has been amazing because Dax is like you. He's brave and kind. He's curious. He has big feelings, but he's able to talk about them. And one thing our whole family has found out is that even though change can be kind of nervous, it's so worth it. It's amazing. When we change and we make room in our lives for new things and new people, our lives get more full and more fun, and we get to make more crafts, okay? That's never a bad thing. Boop, 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 boop. Oh man, I love this family of mine. As I hope he settles in, let's put on some nice calming music. And I'll paint and decorate this house. You want to join me as we do that? Awesome. Let's get house making. The craft is complete. I made a house, I made a studio, and it looks so fun. I can't wait to show Finn. Plus, I think he's awake. Let's get him out of the crib. Hi, Finn! Are you sad? Wait a minute. I didn't put you to sleep with this blanket. Dax? Dax! I swear, I put Finn right here. I made a craft for our family. You were not in this crib. How did you get in here and when?
Finn made a teleporter and I got through it.
Finn made a teleporter. Our 3-month-old baby made a teleporter and you got through. Okay. Okay. I made a craft for our whole family. Do you want to see it? Yeah. Well, let's go. Woo! Woo! Phil! Ready for the big reveal? Ba-da-da-da-da! There's our house. And here's the studio. Here's Dax. Finn. Do you think it looks like Finn? Finn. Here's me. Phil. I love our family. Friends, thank you so much for making this special gift for my whole family. I really love each and every one of you, and you too. If you want to make more things with me, just go search for Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. You guys want to sign off?
See ya.
Bye.